In today's video, I'm going to teach you Xero Payroll, how to add and approve timesheets, 5 minutes. First, open your browser and head to the Xero login page. Click the login button, then enter your email and password and complete any security prompts if they appear. Always make sure you're on the official Xero site and that your connection is secure before signing in. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. If your account has access to more than one organization, confirm you're in the correct one. From the main navigation, go to Payroll, then select Timesheets. This is where you'll create and manage time entries that feed into your pay runs. Click the Add Timesheet button to start a new record. Choose the employee from the drop-down. If you don't see the person you're looking for, they may not be set up in payroll yet or might be inactive. Next, select the correct pay period. Make sure the dates match your pay calendar so hours flow neatly into the right pay run. Click Save to create the timesheet shell for that employee and period. Now add your time details. Start by choosing an earnings rate. This is the pay rule the hours will use, such as ordinary hours or an overtime rate configured in your payroll settings. Then pick a category if your organization uses tracking categories for cost centers, locations, or projects. This helps reporting later, but it will only appear if your payroll is set up to use it. Enter the hours for each relevant day. You can type hours in decimal format like 7.5 for 7.5 hours. Accuracy matters here because these totals directly impact pay, so double check dates and amounts as you go. A quick tip, you can use the tab key to move across days faster. If the employee worked overtime, click Add another line, select the appropriate overtime earnings rate, and re-enter the hours for only the days that apply to overtime. Keeping ordinary and overtime on separate lines ensures each set of hours uses the correct pay rule. When everything looks correct, review the total hours at the bottom of the page. If needed, you can still edit before finalizing. When you're confident, click Approve to lock the timesheet for payroll. Approved timesheets are ready to flow into your next pay run. Finally, click Close to return to the timesheets list. If you need to make changes later and your permissions allow it, you can unapprove or edit before processing payroll. That's it. You've logged in, navigated to payroll, added a timesheet, entered regular and overtime hours, approved it, and closed out.